My name is Josh. I've been attending or seeing Sujin now for a couple months, maybe since the end of June. I originally started coming here since, just to seek some alleviation for my back pain, and I have some, even though I'm a little younger, I have some gnarly issues with my back, and that have to do with just the structural nature of my back. But since coming here, I wasn't sure what to expect, but I was, you get to a certain point, you want to try anything. So, but not that it was like a last resort. I do enjoy acupuncture and I've done it before. But so I came here, and it's been good to help with the alleviation of my back pain. And actually, it's been doing a lot more than that. It's just kind of the way that acupuncture approaches you is just to take this whole holistic approach into just helping blood flow throughout the body. And I've noticed how it's actually improved just energy levels and helping me sleep, and other pains, small pains here and there that I just thought were normal but have gone away. And so I'd recommend Sujin. I would recommend acupuncture to friends and family, and hopefully this testimonial encourages you. Okay.
How serious your back pain was?
It comes and goes in seasons.
Mm-hmm.
It comes and goes in seasons, and it's usually triggered by something that is just some sort of bad physical activity event. I had one of those, and maybe trigger events maybe in March or April, and I was kind of dealing with it. It was really weighing down on me, and if you put it on a scale of 1 to 10, I think I have a pretty high pain tolerance, but even then it was probably like an 8 or a 9 at times, and just hinders my ability to even just walk. So it's been good coming here, seeking help out with that.
What is your pain level now?
Now it's on average.
Before you keep your exercises, or like yesterday?
So usually now it's like just like 1 or 2.
1 or 2. Yeah. So, did you try any other medicines before coming here?
I mean, I've been doing PT, and I've taken a ton of ibuprofen over my lifetime.
Wow.
Stretching and everything, and all those help to a point. And I'd still recommend doing those things in conjunction with acupuncture. But acupuncture just kind of helps push it more, and helps out with the alleviation process. So, it's great. I recommend it.
Yeah. How did you feel about cupping?
I like cupping.
You like cupping?
Yeah, I like cupping. It really helps relax your muscles. At first you're like, I got all these weird spots on my body, but all that's just artificial. It goes away in a few days. And if Michael Phelps can do it, why can't we do it? But it's good.
Yeah, you said you took a lot of ibuprofen because of pain.
Mm-hmm.
Are you still taking ibuprofen now?
No, I stopped. I just tried to stop.
You completely stopped, right?
Yeah, completely stopped.